Friends, remember we have given 50 reasons which no one in the world has given for the gold rise. And now what is happening? One of the reasons is actually materializing, which is the fall of the dollar. And who is doing that? The US itself. No one believed when we said the US itself will try to crash the dollar. Nobody believed it. Even 90% of the people still don't believe, but it is the US action that they are purposefully doing to put down the dollars. Now you might say, if what is the proof that people that the dollar is going down? Well, the proof is that people are selling treasury bonds. The country's central banks are no more holding the high treasury bonds. For the first time in 30 years, US treasury bonds used to be the first number one asset, top asset in central banks. But now it has become second and gold has become the top. So gold is what they are holding on. They are not trusting the US bonds. Now, why is that? Because they know that when the bonds are sold, you actually get the dollar, and the value of that dollar is going down. For the same reason, stock market also will go down, because when you sell the stocks, you're gonna get a rupee. And because the rupee is going down, this stock should also go down. So that is why, guys, when we said the stock market will go down, nobody believed, but we are telling as the rupee goes down, stock market should go down. Because when you sell the stocks, you get a rupee. And if that is falling, then that's why we told you this time, even if you make 20% profit in the stock market in the next 1 year, you still won't make many profits, because inflation will eat off of it, and the rupee slowdown will eat off of it, and the gold rise will eat the rest of it, and you will actually be in losses even though you are in profit. And for that case, profit is actually anyways inevitable in the stock market. Now let's take it the US side. So no country wants to hold US bonds. And so now the dollar, because the dollar is falling. When the dollar is falling, why is the rupee falling? Because many people said if the dollar is fall, then rupee will strengthen. I told this also, our predictions were spot on. Many people thinking in one of the video, you can see as the dollar falls, rupee also will fall. And that is exactly what is happening. We predicted it last month itself. Dollar fall equal to rupee fall. So this is exactly what is happening, guys. Share market, this gold. Now let's look at the gold. Gold is measured against the dollar and rupee, right? If both these are falling, what does it mean? This gone up already. So our reasons are working out. Keep following our